Welcome to Learn Digital Marketing in 5 Minutes, the ultimate crash course for website owners struggling to generate traffic and boost sales. In this video, we will demystify the world of digital marketing and provide you with valuable insights on how to effectively promote your website. SEO, Search Engine Optimization. First up, we have search engine optimization. Search engine optimization is the practice of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results, making it more visible to potential visitors. By applying relevant keywords, creating quality content, and optimizing your website structure, you can attract organic traffic and improve your site's visibility. Content marketing. Content marketing is another powerful tool. By consistently creating and sharing valuable, informative, and engaging content, you can establish yourself as an authority in your niche. This approach not only helps in building trust with your audience but also encourages them to visit your website regularly and increases the chances of converting them into customers. Social media marketing. Moving on to the ever-popular social media marketing. With billions of active users, platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter offer immense opportunities to connect with your target audience. By strategically crafting engaging posts, running targeted ad campaigns, and fostering interaction, you can reach a wider audience and drive traffic to your website. Email marketing. Email marketing remains a valuable asset in the digital marketing toolbox. By building an email list, you can nurture relationships with your subscribers and promote your website's latest content or offers directly to their inbox. Personalize your messages, segment your audience, and track your campaign performance to achieve high conversion rates. Understanding your target audience. Every successful marketing strategy requires a solid understanding of your target audience. Take the time to identify your ideal customers, their preferences, and pain points. This knowledge will guide your content creation, advertising campaigns, and overall marketing efforts, leading to higher engagement and increased sales. Customer journey. Finally, understanding the customer journey is crucial. Mapping out the various touchpoints your potential customers go through before making a purchase enables you to tailor your marketing messages accordingly. By providing the right information at the right time, you can guide them seamlessly through the sales funnel, maximizing conversions.